Hello dear viewers! So, nandito po, iba po ang setting ko ngayon. Dito po ako sa labas, sa may mini cottage dito sa amin. So, pasensya na kung may marinig kayo sa background na tilaok ng manok or mga insects na maririnig nyo. Yan, marami kasi dito. So today, sa wakas, meron na ding nirelease or nag-cover ng solo song si bunso ng SB19, Justin. So ngayon, matagal ko na itong hinihintay kasi I wondered na sa lahat ng member ng SB19, parang si Justin pala yung walang nirelease na solo performance. Except dun sa nag-covers lang dalawa ni Stel ng Shallow. So ngayon, solo lang siya. So, 'di ba, nakaka-excite yung bunso natin. Alam ko naman na kakaiba talaga yung timbre naman ng boses ni Justin. Kahit hindi naman siya yung main vocalist, pero siya parang nagbe-blend siya sa lahat ng timbre ng apat na SB19 members. So ngayon, nag-cover siya ng kanta na Sunday Morning. So parang may music video talaga, no? Social naman tong solo ni cover song ni Justin. Panoorin na natin yung video.
Yeah.
Grabe.
Sunday morning
Ah,
rain
ito
is
pala yun.
falling. Still some
Parang
coffee shades
R&B.
on skin. Clouds are running the sun.
Hindi tumatanda si Justin. Mas bumata. Saan kaya yun? Venue ng nila na shooting.
But things just get so crazy, leaving life gets hard to do. And I would gladly hit the road, get up and go if I knew that someday it will lead me back to you. Yeah, that
Bagay
someday
sa
it
kanya
will lead me back
white
to
na hair.
that may be all I need. In darkness, she is all I see. Come and rest your bones with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning, and I never want to leave.
May sariling flavor yung pagkanta niya.
Fingers your every outline, yeah. Paint a picture with my head.
Pakulot-kulot din si Justin. Pang R&B talaga. Hindi ko alam na pang R&B. Mahilig din sa R&B si Justin. Sa boses niya. May featuring kaya to sa music video.
In darkness, she is all I see. Come and rest your bones with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning, and I never want to leave.
Ano yan? Iba yung ng kanta? Yan na ba talaga? Yan ba? Ganyan ba yan originally? May ibang instrument?
Ooh, yeah. But things just get so crazy, leaving life gets hard to do. Sunday morning rain is falling and I'm calling
Pinanood ko to ng
out to
Sunday.
you. Singing someday it'll bring me back to you. Yeah. Find a way to bring myself back home to you. You may not know that may be all I need. In darkness, she is all I see. Come and rest your bones with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning, and I never want to leave. That may be all I need. In darkness, she is all I
Sana mag-release naman siya ng original song niya, no? Grabe. Yung mga ad-lib. Ang ganda Ganda ng acting niya.
Darkness is all I see. Come and press your bones with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning. And I never want to.
Cute naman ang drawing niya. Yun guys. Grabe no si Justin. Kaya din pala niya gano'n no. Yung boses niya paibahin. Ginawa niyang parang R&B yung Sunday morning eh. Today na-discover ko na kaya din pala niya. Kasi parang yung mga parts niya is more on harmonizing, then yung birit din. Pero ito, bago to, bago ko narinig sa kanya. Good job, Justin. Ang ganda ng pagka-rendition mo ng kantang to, Sunday morning. Maraming mga fans, lalo na yung galing sa Maisan, very proud sila sa'yo. And looking forward pa sa mga future mong projects, solo projects, then baka may acting projects, di ba? Tuloy-tuloy na yon from senior high. Kasi si Justin yung parang visual. Siya ba yung visual talaga? Official visual ng SB19. 18. So guys, that will be my reaction to Justin cover to Sunday morning. So thank you for staying with me and watching my videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.